learn, that which you hear me saying, singing. The worse I endure and the more I grow angry. Watch when there is one to teach me, if I shall know how to succeed there. For I do not pretend to have knowledge, nor can any man fail in it. The most foolish man in the kingdom, if he saw her and gazed upon her, would have to be upon departing. And so I, who love her without guile, I know it well, must rejoice in it, since such great worth marks her, that I deign no other love, nor without her can I be cured of the sorrow that constrains me. That from ladies no good comes to me, yet I cannot blame them. One takes from me the joy of elsewhere, and of her own gives me nothing, nor do I have taste for another. Yet for her love I am more gay and more courtly, and bear honor to all. She never promised me, and I am not so learned that my prayers might have value. But this breaks my sorrow, that mercy appears there where all other helpers fail. For she has so much praise that the ill will well be thanked and prized in the place of sweetness. Troubadours equally, according to what skill they have, praise ladies for pleasure, and pay no heed to whom or which. And whoever praises his lady more than she is worth makes it seem he speaks mockery and nothing else. But I have chosen such a one, that one can say nothing of her but truth, unless indeed one spoke ill. Lady, a very courtly day makes the day that goes to see you, for then it cannot hold back without bearing you heartfelt love. But not all are equal, for the false cannot wish what we loyal ones wish. Therefore some live on advantage, who with deceit hope for you, if they do not take their lodging elsewhere. For I take care for nothing else but to serve at pleasure her from whom I hold Miraval. Bless the loyal one I would wish to see in person.